You can select the scan mode from here. There are two scan modes, faster and precise. In faster mode, the app captures data with just one scan of the employee's card. In precise mode, the app scans the card 3 times to ensure more accurate data collection. Let's start by demonstrating the faster mode. Now, let's move on to adding employee attendance. Click on the employee whose data you want to input. Select the desired month, then proceed. Capture the employee's card. After capturing, you can crop the image if necessary. Once you're satisfied with the crop, click the check mark to confirm. The data will automatically sync, including the date and the employee's in and out times. If needed, you can also adjust any data if the scan data is incorrect. Finally, click Save Data to save the information. Now, let's switch to the precise mode. Click on the employee whose data you want to input. Select the desired month, then proceed. Capture the card for the first scan and crop the image as needed. Then click the check mark to confirm. Capture the card again for the second scan, crop it if required, and click the check mark. Finally, capture the card for the third scan. Crop it, and click the check mark once more. The data will then sync from the employee's card. If any data seems confusing to the app, that particular data will be highlighted with a red mark. You can modify it as necessary. Once everything is confirmed, click Save Data to save the information. In this way, you can easily manage your company's employees with our attendance machine. Next, the print border option. If you select Yes, the payslip will print with a border. If you select No, the payslip will print without a border.